Having curly hair is both a blessing and a challenge. While those luscious curls are enviable, they demand care and precision, especially when it comes to drying. A poor quality hairdryer can leave curls frizzy, damaged, or flat, while the right one enhances your natural texture and reduces heat damage. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 best hairdryers for curly hair, ranked for their performance, features, and reliability. Whether you're managing tight coils or loose waves, these picks are sure to make styling your curls easier than ever. Kicking off our list at number 1, Conair InfinitiPro 1875. The Conair InfinitiPro 1875 is a top choice for anyone seeking an affordable yet effective hairdryer for curly hair. Known for its balance between cost and performance, it boasts features typically found in more premium models, making it an excellent choice for both professionals and everyday users. Key features: this dryer comes equipped with a powerful 1875-watt motor, ionic technology to minimize frizz, and 3 heat settings. Its AC motor ensures fast drying, and the ceramic technology distributes heat evenly. Plus, the included diffuser is specifically designed to enhance and define curls. Benefits and usage: the Conair InfinitiPro's ionic technology combats frizz, leaving curls smooth and shiny. The diffuser attachment spreads airflow gently, helping to maintain the natural shape of your curls without causing disruption. With adjustable heat and speed settings, it's versatile for all curl types, from tight coils to loose waves. Usability: this dryer is user-friendly, with an ergonomic handle that reduces hand strain. The lightweight design makes it convenient for extended use, especially for individuals with thick or long hair. The settings are intuitive, making it easy to achieve professional-level results at home. Durability: built with a robust AC motor, the InfinitiPro is designed to last longer than standard DC motor dryers. Regular maintenance, like cleaning the removable filter, will ensure it remains in excellent condition for years. Overall, it's a durable, budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on performance. In the second spot, we have T3 Cura Luxe. The T3 Cura Luxe is a premium hairdryer designed to revolutionize your hair care routine. Known for its innovative design and smart technology, this dryer offers salon-quality results, making it a favorite among users with curly hair. Key features: the Cura Luxe features T3 digital ion air technology, which ensures a precise balance of air and heat. It offers 5 heat and 2 speed settings, a lock-in cool shot button, and an auto-pause sensor for ease of use. The ionic technology reduces frizz and boosts shine, enhancing the natural beauty of curls. Benefits and usage: this hairdryer is perfect for defining and preserving curls while minimizing frizz. Its multiple heat settings allow customization based on your hair type, while the auto-pause sensor adds a layer of convenience when drying sections. Use the diffuser attachment to enhance curl patterns for bouncy, defined curls every time. Usability: the T3 Cura Luxe is designed with convenience in mind. Its lightweight build and ergonomic handle make it easy to maneuver. The auto-pause sensor automatically stops airflow when the dryer is put down, streamlining your routine. Its advanced settings are intuitive and user-friendly. Durability: crafted with premium materials and advanced technology, the Cura Luxe is a reliable investment. It's built to withstand regular use and maintain peak performance, ensuring consistent, professional-quality results. Proper care, such as cleaning the filter, will extend its lifespan further. Coming in at number 3 is the Bio Ionic 10X Pro. The Bio Ionic 10X Pro is a high-performance hairdryer tailored for curly hair. It stands out for its ultra-lightweight design and advanced ionic technology, which helps reduce drying time while enhancing hair health. Key features: the 10X Pro features a patented EcoDrive motor that uses 75% less energy than traditional dryers. Its volcanic mineral-infused ceramic technology hydrates hair as it dries, promoting moisture retention. This dryer also comes with variable heat and speed settings and a diffuser attachment for curly hair. Benefits and usage: this dryer is perfect for maintaining curl integrity and promoting healthy hair. The volcanic minerals lock in moisture, leaving curls soft, shiny, and hydrated. The powerful airflow, combined with the diffuser attachment, ensures even drying without disturbing the curl pattern. Usability: the Bio Ionic 10X Pro is remarkably lightweight, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. Its simple controls are straightforward, and the ergonomic design reduces arm fatigue. The long cord adds flexibility, making it suitable for both home and professional use. Durability: despite its lightweight build, the 10X Pro is incredibly durable. Its EcoDrive motor is designed to last 10 years with proper care. Regular cleaning of the filter will ensure it continues to deliver optimal performance over its lifespan. Taking our fourth spot is Remington Pro Pearl. The Remington Pro Pearl is an affordable yet powerful hairdryer that excels in delivering salon-worthy results. Designed for all hair types, it's especially beneficial for curly hair, thanks to its advanced pearl ceramic technology. Key features: this dryer features a high-powered 1875-watt motor, pearl-infused ceramic technology for even heat distribution, and ionic conditioning to minimize frizz. It includes 3 heat and 2 speed settings, as well as a cool shot button for setting styles. A diffuser attachment specifically designed for curls is also included. Benefits and usage: the Remington Pro Pearl is ideal for enhancing curl definition while keeping hair smooth and frizz-free. Its pearl ceramic technology ensures gentle, even heat, which is crucial for maintaining healthy curls. Use the diffuser attachment for best results, lifting and defining curls as you dry. Usability: this dryer is lightweight and easy to handle, making it a great option for those who want professional results at home. Its multiple heat and speed settings provide versatility, and the controls are intuitive for all skill levels. Durability: the Pro Pearl is built with a sturdy motor and high-quality materials, ensuring it withstands frequent use. With proper maintenance, such as cleaning the filter and storing it safely, this dryer will provide long-lasting performance. And finally, at number 5, we have Hot Tools Professional. The Hot Tools Professional hairdryer is a favorite among hairstylists for its superior performance and ability to create stunning, frizz-free curls. Designed with curly hair in mind, it's equipped with advanced features to protect and enhance natural texture. Key features: this dryer includes ionic technology for reduced frizz, a powerful 1875-watt motor, and a lightweight design. It offers variable heat and speed settings, a cool shot button, and a professional-grade diffuser for precise curl definition. Benefits and usage: the Hot Tools Professional is excellent for creating polished, frizz-free curls. Its ionic technology enhances shine and smoothness, while the diffuser attachment helps lift and define curls for a voluminous finish. The customizable settings cater to all curl types and textures. Usability: this dryer is ergonomic and easy to use, even for beginners. The lightweight build ensures comfort during prolonged use, and the controls are simple to navigate. The professional-grade diffuser attachment makes achieving salon-level results at home effortless. Durability: built for professional use, the Hot Tools dryer is incredibly durable. Its robust motor and high-quality materials ensure long-lasting performance. With regular cleaning and proper storage, this dryer will remain a reliable tool in your hair care routine for years. Choosing the right hair dryer for curly hair can make all the difference in your styling routine. Each of the dryers we've discussed today is tailored to enhance your natural curls, reduce frizz, and minimize heat damage. From budget-friendly options like the Conair InfinitiPro to premium models like the T3 Cura Luxe, there's something here for everyone. Remember, the key to gorgeous, healthy curls is the combination of the right tools and proper care. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow curl enthusiasts.